This is a 2019 Mustang GT with the 5.0. We just replaced the rear mufflers, put some single chamber V2 mufflers. It's our go-to muffler to give it some rumble. Really woke it up good there, you'll see. It's got the 4-inch dual tip, so it gives it that nice quad look back there. It's all factory pipes except for a True X pipe, factory catch. Should really want rumble. Wake it up. Let's see what it sounds like.